How to set custom ringtone on WhatsApp Android. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can set custom ringtone on WhatsApp Android. So let's just dive right into the video and find out how to. So if you want to set custom ringtone on WhatsApp Android, you can follow up this method. First thing is you can open up your WhatsApp and head over to the top three dot at the top and go to settings. Once you are here, you can go to this option called notifications. And when you head over there, you can find this option that says notification tone. So just go ahead and tap on it. And when you do that, here you should be finding all of the notification options, ringtone options given by the app itself. Along with that, you will be getting the options of other music that you've already added on your device. So if you want to set custom ringtone, what you can do is, right now you can see I have these options which are custom. So for that, you need to open up your main phone settings first. You can just go ahead and do that, and you can set up a custom ringtone over to your own device. And when you do that, when you add like this by tapping on the plus icon from the available audios onto your device, for example this, and go ahead and add it, that ringtone will also be added in the WhatsApp. So you can just go over to WhatsApp, head over to the settings at the top, go to settings, go to notifications, and when you go to notification tone, you should be finding that audio that you just added onto your device. So that is it. That is how you set custom ringtone on WhatsApp Android. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.